Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the top worries after a car repair? Concerns about vehicle safety post-repair. You need to know your car is safe to drive, and at Arts, we prioritize safety in every repair to give you peace of mind. Let me tell you about Sarah, a local teacher who came to us last month. Her 2019 Honda Civic had a damaged front end from a minor collision. Sarah was nervous about whether the repair would keep her car safe for her daily commute. We explained our thorough process, using OEM parts and rigorous safety checks. Our team restored her Civic to factory standards, and Sarah said, "Arts made me feel so confident. My car is safe and looks great." Here's how we ensure safety. Our certified technicians follow strict protocols, use high-quality parts, and conduct detailed inspections to confirm your car meets safety standards. From dents to collision repairs, our Pomona shop guarantees your vehicle is road-ready. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we put your safety first. Worried about post-repair safety? Stop by or call for a free estimate and drive with confidence today. Ready for repairs that prioritize safety? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Safe repairs, trusted results.